Okay, next we look at the synthesis questions. Describe a laboratory experiment to determine the empirical formula of magnesium oxide. Your answer should include all the precaution steps and the calculation involved. Given to you the relative atomic mass for magnesium is 24 and oxygen is 16. So this is a paper 2 question. So we start with apparatus and the materials first. So first apparatus we need to use is a crucible with the lid, tongs, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, pipe clay triangle. And the material used here will be magnesium ribbon and the sandpaper. So let's look at this the procedure. A crucible with its lid was weighed. A strip of the magnesium ribbon was cleaned with a piece of sandpaper. So the action word, the magnesium ribbon was then coiled and placed in the crucible. Next, the crucible together with its lid and the content inside it will wait. Then the crucible was heated with a strong flame without its lid first. Then when the magnesium started to burn, the crucible was covered with the lid. Okay, next. When the magnesium started to burn, number 6. A tongs was used to lift the lid slightly from time to time to allow the oxygen in. Actually, it's used to make the combustion to be completed. When the burning was completed, the lid was removed and the crucible was heated strongly for 2 minutes. After that, the crucible was allowed to cool down. The crucible with the lid and the content will weighed and recorded. Okay. So after that, the process of heating, cooling, and the weighing was repeated until a constant mass was obtained. In other words, we need to reheat it again, okay, and then make it cool down and then wait again, okay, so that the constant mass is obtained to ensure that the combustion is completed already. So in the result, okay, in writing the essay, we do not give any data on it. We use alphabetical like A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z to represent your calculation. So let's say we use the mass of the crucible with the lid. We use A as a representation, A gram. Then mass of the crucible with the lid plus the magnesium ribbon inside it, so we B gram. So after the heating and cooling and weighing process, we get the magnesium oxide inside it, so it will be C gram. So from these three ABC mass, we can calculate the mass of the magnesium actually is the B minus the A gram. Okay, and then the mass of the oxygen will be C minus the B gram. So we need these two mass of magnesium and the oxygen to calculate the empirical formula for the magnesium oxide. So in the calculation, so we can calculate the mass of the elements for the magnesium and the oxygen as shown just now, B minus A and C minus B for the oxygen. So as we get the mass already, so we can find the number of mole. So mass is B minus A over the molar mass for the magnesium is 24. So oxygen will be C minus B divided by the molar mass for the oxygen will be 16. So the simplest ratio will be P and Q. So no need any data for it. We use the alphabetical or any unknown to represent it. So the ratio will be P and Q. So as a conclusion, the empirical formula for the magnesium oxide will be MgP, then OQ. So this is how we determine the empirical formula for the magnesium oxide. So precautions, the process of heating, cooling and weighing was repeated until a constant mass was obtained. These are a main precautions that you need to pay attention. Okay, thank you.